in this video, we're going to go over a piece of AI tech called Quicklines. Now, what Quicklines does is it will scrape a LinkedIn profile and it will pull out some opening lines. So when we're doing cold email, one of the most important things is to make every email sound as specific as possible, so it was only sent to that one recipient and it could not have been sent to anyone else. So it has to have something really specific to them that can create a connection and engagement so that they'll continue reading the email, basically. So what we do is we grab our scraped leads that we got from Instantly. So we'll grab these, and that's them there, Instantly leads. And all we want to do is go upload Instantly leads. Now, I've actually already done this, so I don't need to do that. But once it's done, you want to click on history over here. So if you've just uploaded it and there's a lot of leads in there, it may take a while. This took less than a minute. So then we just hit download records, and that will come down as this. So these three columns are usually over here further. So what I've done is I will select those columns and I'll drag them over here. I just think it's an easy way to work. In fact, I'll show you exactly how I do that. Let's go through the process. So I'll go download records. I prefer to open them in Excel. Just go to Excel. So what I'll do is I'll just go insert three columns over here because I know I'm moving three columns. And then we just want first name, last name, company. I just think this is an easier way to view this, that's all. You don't have to do it, but I think it's better. So then after that, that's how it looks. Now I'm going to close out of that because I have already edited this over here. So not all of these quick lines are going to be fantastic. In fact, I'm not a big fan of the subject lines, but this is great to give you an idea, especially if you're starting out in cold email. Gives you an idea of the sorts of lines that work well. So this particular contact here is someone that I want to reach out to because he's the founder of a Peruvian travel company. I have a history in building a travel agency in that country, so it makes sense that I can have a conversation with him. Not a big fan of this. I just don't think it's very relevant at all. But I do like this. Crazy to see what you've built at Andy Discovery in 17 years. You're killing it. Now, this is his profile. Now, you can just double check that. I generally open with something similar to that. You've been there for a long time. Wow, you've got a wealth of experience. You must know the industry inside and out. Anything like that will work. So that's an example of how we can do this. Now, in the next video, we're going to go over how we're crafting our one-line case studies and then how we position our offer.